So here I'm going to compare my Bose Quietcomfort headphones with these inexpensive Yamaha headphones. All I have to do to plug in these Bose Quietcomfort headphones is to connect this cable adapter with this 1/4-inch stereo jack adapter. What I can tell you about these two headphones is that this pair is specifically designed to work with Yamaha products, and it sounds particularly good with Yamaha keyboards, whereas this pair of headphones has a lot of other features to it, like low bass and other sounds to it that might not necessarily be needed in a simple keyboard setting. So while this has more flexibility with pop, rock, and other genres like that, this headphone is meant more for keyboards or any electronics that are Yamaha related. The other big difference about these headphones is the circumference of the muff. Basically, this muff is more direct and there's less echoiness to it, and this allows there to be more space in the cushion of the muff. So the sound can travel, it can take up a bit more space to develop inside of this headphone, whereas this is going to sound more direct and immediate than this pair of headphones. While this will be able to sort a multitude of different sounds and features, this one is more direct for keyboard playing, and it's immediate. When you hear it, the sound is right there. Whereas this one, it has a little bit more space, it allows the sound to develop within that ear muff, and some of the sound gets lost because there's so much more capability in this headphone that it's not nearly as direct as this one, especially in a keyboard-only type setting. I think for comfortability, this headphone is going to be more comfortable on your ears than this one. However, if I were to be practicing the piano, I may choose this one just because of the directness of sound versus this one that can support all these other features that I don't necessarily need when I'm just playing the keyboard. I hope you liked my headphone review. Let me know if you have any questions.